In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your hand in GoToMeeting. During any virtual meeting, having the ability to participate seamlessly is key to a productive exchange. Whether you want to ask a question, make a comment, or need to signal your attention, knowing how to virtually raise your hand is valuable. As you join a GoToMeeting session, you'll notice various features designed to enhance your experience. Direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the React button. This feature is instrumental in making your presence known without interrupting the current flow of conversation. Clicking the React button will instantly trigger the Raise Hand function. When activated, all participants in the meeting will receive a notification indicating that you've raised your hand. It's a subtle yet effective way to signal your readiness to contribute to the discussion. This feature is especially useful in larger meetings or webinars where it can be challenging to interject. The Raise Hand tool helps maintain order and allows the host or presenter to address questions or comments at appropriate times. But that's not all. The React button isn't just for raising your hand. It also offers a range of quick reactions you can use to express yourself. Maybe you agree with something that was just said and want to show support. Go ahead and click the thumbs up reaction. Perhaps something doesn't sit well with you. The thumbs down option has you covered. If you're impressed or appreciative, there's a clap reaction to convey your applause. And for those moments filled with positivity or unity, express your feelings with a heart or smile reaction. These quick reactions are a fantastic way to keep the interaction engaging and dynamic. They allow you to convey emotions and responses instantaneously without having to unmute yourself, ensuring the meeting remains fluid and free from unnecessary interruptions. It's worth noting that these features work best in an environment where all participants are familiar with them. If you're hosting a meeting, it can be beneficial to brief everyone at the start on how to use these tools. This can help assist in orchestrating an efficient and orderly meeting. If you're new to GoToMeeting or virtual meetings in general, I encourage you to explore these features and practice using them. This will boost your confidence and ensure you're prepared when it's time to contribute. Remember, the key to successful virtual communication lies in effectively leveraging the tools at your disposal. And there you have it. A straightforward way to communicate efficiently in GoToMeeting by using the Raise Hand feature as well as other reaction icons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice your newly acquired skills in your next GoToMeeting session.